Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create fantastic composition of pasta, bacon, zucchini, and king of all cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano. In this case, simplicity is the key to success. You need only 15 minutes to make super tasty dish. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Famous Italian pasta, Rigatoni, is diving now into a boiling salty water. I would like to inform all the world now that rigatoni is al dente now. It means perfect. Okay. Let's change equipment. Classic oil goes on the pan. Onion. Time for bacon. Bacon is ready, onion is ready, set aside. Now I will use that gorgeous fat to cook zucchini. Onion is crunchy, so delicious. Bacon, what a power. Okay, some part is going back on the pan, some I will leave it. Cream 18%. Last ingredient, capers. The time has come for rigatoni. Bacon was really salty. That is why I will add only freshly ground pepper. It smells unbelievable. Okay, time to serve it. Amigos, extremely delicious pasta with bacon, zucchini, cream, capers and Parmesan Reggiano cheese is landing on the table. Bon appetit!